Hi everybody, how you doing? Welcome to Music Education Video, Lesson 15. And today we are going to do dominant 7th chords, which are big time used in jazz and blues, all that rhythm and blues, Motown baby. And diminished 7th chords, which are the silent movie kind of chords which sound like this. Lots you can do with diminished chords. Diminished chords are in intersection, and they can change every which way. They're quite something once you get a hang of it, and I've been doing it a long time, and I still haven't quite figured out these little guys. All right, so here we go. Get your paper and pencil. Here we go. Dominant 7th chords. Your chord symbol is C with a 7 in the upper right-hand corner. All right, now begin writing. C dominant 7th, C, E, G, B flat. D flat dominant 7th, D flat, F, A flat, B. Okay, D dominant 7th, D, F sharp, A, C. E flat dominant 7th, E flat, G, B flat, D flat. E dominant 7th, E, G sharp, B, D. F dominant 7th, F, A, C, E flat. G flat dominant 7th, G flat, B flat, D flat, E. It might be an F flat, but we don't like F flats. Nothing personal, we're going to use an E. G dominant 7th, G, B, D, F. Okay? That one's a fun one, very common. A flat dominant 7th, A flat, C, E flat, G flat. A dominant 7th, A, C sharp, E, G. B flat dominant 7th, B flat, D, F, A flat. B dominant 7th, B, D sharp, F sharp, A. Okay, come on guys, do your work. Write them all down and let's get ready to play. We're doing this together. All right, here we go, everybody. Get your sheet of paper that you just wrote out right by your keyboard. And your phone or your laptop or whatever the heck you're doing. Hopefully we won't all turn into robots. Okay, this is a dominant chord. And then... Okay, that's all that stuff. And they're lots of fun. So here we go. C dominant 7th. C, E, G, B flat. And arpeggio. Boogie woogie bass lines later, but it's a lot of fun. It's C, E, G, A, B flat. But this is not a boogie woogie lesson, so yeah, how to play boogie woogie piano on the YouTube channel is fantastic. All right, I'm just giving you nuts and bolts here, guys. Nuts and bolts. D flat dominant 7th. D flat, F, A flat, B. Arpeggio. And D dominant 7th, D, F sharp, A, C. E flat dominant 7th. E flat, G, B flat, D flat. And you guys just fill in the blanks, okay? All right, fill in the blanks for me. E dominant 7th. What is it? E, G sharp, B, D. F dominant 7th. You should be right along with me. Hopefully, guys, we're all in this together. F, A, C, E flat. G flat dominant 7th. G flat, B flat, D flat, E. I'm going to go lower. Now this is G dominant 7th. Okay? It's G, B, D, F. A flat dominant 7th. A flat, C, E flat, G flat. And then A dominant 7th. And then B flat dominant 7th. B flat, D, F, A flat. dominant 7th. Okay, you say the notes for B dominant 7th. B, D sharp, F sharp, A. Now, guys, also, we number chords in a few different ways. One is where it is in terms of the scale. And we'll talk more about that. You got to stay with me because this is a big deal. It could last a long time before all the pieces fall. It's a huge jig puzzle. And then you go, oh, that's my favorite saying. Oh, yeah, I get it. All right, now, and then you number the parts of the chord. So for B dominant 7th, B is the root or 1. D sharp is the 3rd. Okay, it's not the 2nd note. It's you say the 3rd because you relate to scales. Chords are built by skipping notes in a scale. So B is 1, D sharp is 3, S sharp is 5, and A is 7. So people say, well, there's 7 notes in a 7th chord. No, there's 4 notes, and it's 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, you can alter the 7. You can make it a major 7, but a dominant chord is called a flat 7. Because if you were in a major scale, it'd be A sharp, and you flat the 7. And that stuff we'll talk about more also, guys. We're just getting to know what these things are, all right? Now, let's go on to diminished 7th chords, please, guys. Here we go. All right, we got time to do this. Each one I'm trying to get around 10 minutes so we don't burn everybody out. And, you got to absorb a ton of stuff, guys. It's just a ton. All right, diminished 7th chords. Here we go. The symbol is a little circle, guys. C, diminished 7th. C, circle. Let's see. Let's make sure I get this right. Yeah. E, G, B flat, D flat. F diminished 7th. F, A flat, B, D. F sharp diminished 7th. F sharp, A, C, E flat. All right. G diminished 7th. G, B flat, D flat, E. All right. A flat diminished 7th. A flat, B, D, F. A diminished 7th. A, C, E flat, G flat. B flat diminished 7th, B flat, D flat, E, G. B diminished 7th, B, D, F, A flat. Okay. Copy it down, and let's get to the piano. Here we go. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen. Diminished chords. Let's do the first one in a certain way. Everybody do 2 hands first, please. Go C, E flat, G flat, A. C, E flat, G flat, A. And then you can do something fun. You can start with your left hand down low and do that. Left hand, right hand. Listen. It's an easy way of doing an arpeggio. And stuff like that. And backwards, I'm going to do my right hand, left hand. In other words, 4 notes and then just switch hand. Left hand, right hand. Left hand, right hand. Left hand. Let's go back the opposite way. Right hand, left hand. Right hand, left hand. Okay, good. That's a little fancy thing, okay? That's fine. G flat, diminished 7th. G flat, E. I'm sorry. D flat, E, G, B flat. D diminished 7th. D, F, A flat, B. E flat diminished 7th. E flat, G flat, A, C. E diminished 7th. E, G, B flat, D flat. F diminished 7th. F, A flat, B, D. F sharp diminished 7th. F sharp, A, C, E flat. G diminished 7th. It sounds like bingo or something. Bingo! G, B flat, D flat, E. A flat diminished 7th. A flat, B, D, F. A diminished 7th. A, C, E flat, G flat. B diminished 7th, down an octave, B flat, D flat, E, G, and B diminished 7th, B, D, F, A flat. Now you're probably thinking, doesn't this guy know any songs? No, I don't know any songs, just kidding. These are the things that all songs are made of, guys. And you learn lots of fun patterns. So if you get a silent movie gig, you absolutely do you really need diminished 7ths for your scary music, silent movie, oh my god, kind of music. Okay, that wraps up lesson 15. And what was it again? It was dominant 7th chords and diminished 7th chords. Thank you guys. See you next time. Music education video. Bye-bye now.